At the University of Business and Applied Sciences, a revolutionary hub emerges. UniPod, sponsored by United Nations Development Programme, is where Malawian innovation meets opportunity.
UNDP is convinced in the power of youth, innovation and entrepreneurship to help accelerate the Malawi Vision 2063. And that is why UNDP is so excited to partnership with the government of Malawi and the university system through Mombasa University to showcase and bring to market homegrown ideas through the University Innovation Pod, UniPod.
Inspired by the successful Timbuktoo initiative, UniPod is designed to nurture the dreams of young Malawian innovators and entrepreneurs. It's a space where ideas aimed at solving local and continental challenges through scalable and impactful enterprises take flight. By offering resources, mentorship, and access to a network of industry leaders and investors, the UniPod is not just supporting startups, it's cultivating a generation of leaders and change makers.
We have so many innovators in Malawi that are being so creative in coming up with different innovations. But most of these innovators are lacking the technologies or the equipment that they can use for them to come up with products.
Emerging innovators and entrepreneurs here will not only be motivated to dream, but to dream with a purpose, to create ventures that are both profitable and beneficial to their communities. Join us on this journey of transformation, innovation, and growth. UniPod, where Malawi innovators and entrepreneurs are born and nurtured.